Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a windshield car cover. So we're gonna give this thing a try here. I'll show you guys what it is, and we will try to set it up on our windshield and our car. So I think it's mostly a car cover here. So like what this is good for is, so if it's like super cold out and you're gonna have icing and whatnot and stuff like that, so it gives you the ability to cover your windshield up, so then in the morning it won't be so icy and frozen. So let's see how we can do this now. I don't know why my front is open, so I'll show you guys what it comes with here. So we have all these pieces and parts here. You have, I guess this is a little bag to put it in, another bag here, and maybe to put weights on. I don't know. Is there instructions? No instructions, but let's see what we got here. So if I were to do this, I will throw it over on the side. So here we go. I can have it there. And here, and now it's covering up my windshield. So there. So there we go. So here you can see my whole windshield is covered, and I guess what I can do is I can put these straps on the inside and clip it through if I wanted to open up the window to have it all strapped through. And then I guess I can just store it in this bag or put some weights on it or something like that to just kind of keep it from blowing off or whatever if I want to. I have more straps here, so I can just totally strap it all in. But how cool is that? So now I can cover my windshield, so if I know it's going to be an icy day here, I can just cover this up before I go to sleep. When I wake up, pull it off, and I'm going to be the one without the snow and ice on my car. So it's totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.